Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Samsung. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now you need to select lock screen over here, then choose screen lock type and pick one of those options as your new login method, pattern pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to tap on it. Then enter your login method and choose next at the bottom right corner. Now you need to repeat it and select confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you can adjust notifications on your lock screen however you wish to, but you can also disable them completely by clicking on this switcher. When you're ready, select done. Now if you wish to back up your pattern, you can do that by selecting continue. After that, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!